Janet and Mike here, and this is our channel, Follow the Sun RVing. Our motto is, every day is Saturday. So join us on our adventures as we make lifelong memories following the sun.
This is where our adventure began. Outside of Paradise Village, Nuevo Vallarta, is a concierge service operated by Martin. This is where we arranged for our charter fishing trip. El Almo, the master, our charter boat and crew, 7 a.m. Happy anticipation, setting sail. And we brought along Ben, our ace, jam up, catches everything fisherman. However, maybe not today. Granddaughter Brooke and her axolotl.
Say that 3 times fast.
And granddaughter Breezy. Leaving port at sunrise. The deckhand baiting up. And lures, of course. I'm thinking that with all this equipment, the fish don't stand a chance. 8 rods, including outriggers. Happy to be here. Ben says, bring 'em on. On the lookout, port and starboard. Ben, with the sun at his back, doesn't get any better. Okay, with Lindsay it does get better, Ben. So be tougher than Grandma.
There you go.
Oh, that's a good one. There you go.
Got another bait fish, good job.
I think Dad has more anticipation than Brooke over this fish. And here's her first trophy, an albacore caught with a lure. Raining. Let's see what we got here. Oh, well, you did 2 at a time. That'll do it. 2 at a time will do it. Chris lands one, another albacore on a lure. Lindsay, a hookup, I think. I think it's a big one. And it must be. She's smiling and fighting that fish at the same time.
There you go. I see it. I see it. Almost got it, Lindsay. Real hard.
Okay, no more. It's up. Stop.
Oh, this is a beaut. Oh, look at that. Still in the water, you can see the green color of this dorado. Not only did Lindsay catch the prettiest fish, but it's a big one to boot. So the secret was opening a Corona, because when you open the Corona, a sailfish hookup, and look at him leap out of the water. A second time, he leaps out again. The fight is on, and look at the bend in that heavy rod.
Nice, really Help. Yeah, really.
Don't let them get away. Everybody's bringing lines in. Help her a little bit. Just remember all the time you change his diapers, Mom. The fight is on, and it's going to last a while. Getting help from the friends, of course. Here, Chris is being the photographer, trying to keep an eye on things at the same time. Ben continuing to help. Mom's getting tired. The deckhand comes out and helps a little bit as well. In the chair, and really tired at this point, thank goodness she has that rod belt on. Oh, he's ready. He's ready.
Okay, come on.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Look at that! Look at that! Oh, don't worry about that.
It's real, Mom. Reel it up. Get that line in.
Oh my God!
Keep reeling, Mom. Keep reeling.
Back up, Grandpa. Grandpa, you got it.
Dad.
Okay, come on.
Hold on.
That's like a swordfish.
Hold on.
No, dito.
Hold on.
Ay, taya.
Oh my god!
Oh my God! Look at that! Look at that! Oh my God! Oh. Janet holding her trophy. It took a little over 15 minutes to bring it in, and it's definitely over 8 feet long. Oh my God, what a record that is! Oh my goodness sake! I thought it was
Well, I know, but that's quite a lot. Yeah.
that's 8 feet. That's 8 feet.
Yeah?
This is a 10-foot boat.
That could be 8 feet. Yeah, that is big.
Look at that color. The prettiest smile of any fisherman, and celebrating good times. Retelling the story with the beer, of course. Have you ever seen prettier fingernails on a fisherman? Oh, excuse me, fisherwoman, of course. Yes, Mom, I know. Yep, it's a big one. Ben says, of course I taught her everything about catching fish, including the beer part. Amber watching the show. What do you think? Captain Morgan or Aquaman? Heading in and on the lookout, tired fisherwoman. But not too tired to hold court on the front deck. But not too tired to hold court with her two buddies, Brooke and Breezy, or as she calls them in Mexico, her niatas. Grandpa says, please don't fall off the bow of the boat. Martin told us that Napolito's, a local restaurant, would prepare our sailfish for our dinner. Baked sailfish, prepared by the chef. And ceviche, look at the meat, equally as good. And the feast begins. Thanks, Janet, for catching dinner for all of us. It's delicious, and we all had a wonderful time today.
And thanks for tuning in to this episode of Follow the Sun RVing. And we'll have some more adventures from Puerto Vallarta.